If you want to enable Wi-Fi calling on Android, so first of all, swipe down from the very top of the screen. Now swipe down again and make sure that you're connected to any Wi-Fi network. It's necessary for this feature to work. If you're not yet connected, simply select an available network and enter the password if required. Alright, so how do we activate it? We should open up our settings, our connections tab. On Samsung, it's quite easy, so here it is, your Wi-Fi calling. To enable this feature, simply tap on the switch. Also, you can choose a calling preference, so set a Wi-Fi preferred, and now you can make and receive calls over a Wi-Fi connection whenever available. In some other phones, you should enter your SIM card and mobile network option, and then you'll find all of the settings related to your phone number, and you can access to its settings. Right there, you have to scroll down to calling section, and there you will find your Wi-Fi calling. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.